And so this is the part I'm replicating today. It's called the left-right 3, and for a 1032 post. Of course, this is meant for 3D printing, but I'm just replicating it in a brass stock. So mine's just going to be made out of a square block. I am going to drill these holes and recess the holes and drill a cross hole here for the post. Then there's going to be 2 holes here for the set screws. And other than that, the shape will be a lot different. So I have some scribe marks you can see here. That's where I want to relieve the metal on either side of the hole there to create a raised face. So now I have a raised face to mount the strain gauge on.